Noah's Ark Stay and Play have got some availability on Thursdays. So if you know anybody or you're someone who has preschool age children who would like to come along, then let us know or have a look on our website for the details on that. There'll be toys there, craft sessions, different stories and games. It's a great place for preschool age children to come along and have a bit of fun on a Thursday. So have a look on our website for more information on that.
You are explosions of light, blind the darkness with your glory. You are explosions of light.
We just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has been a part of organising Devoted, but also all of you lovely ladies who came along for it. It was an amazing time where we got together in the presence of God, and He really did meet with us. And so how exciting it is to think what He's going to do over the course of the year. So have a look online, stay tuned with what we've got coming up for our women's ministry.
Where all the demons hide. Now death has been.
This one's for the men, so listen up. Don't tell Sandeep I'm doing this, but there's going to be a men's curry on the 13th of October at 8 o'clock. It's £12, and it'll be a great time together. So please book in today on Church Suite or on our website, and we'd love to see you for a men's curry. Come on.
Your glory. You are explosions of light. Explosions of light.
Don't forget, you can start packing your shoe boxes for the Operation Christmas Child, where you get to fill a box for children at Christmas through the Samaritan's Purse. Now you can head to the foyer after the service today to pick up one of these flyers, which gives you all the information of what you can put in a shoebox. And we've also got shoe boxes available for you to purchase for a £5, and that includes all your processing costs for it as well. So come to the foyer, come get your flyer, get your shoebox, pay that £5, and Bob's your uncle. He's not really your uncle, but we'll make a child happy at Christmas.
Rain forever. Rain in.
So that's all for XL News. This week is Connect Groups, don't forget, so make sure you're connecting with yours. Have a great week, guys.